Hello everyone, my name is Sal Ed, and I work at CrapOS, and today I'm going to be giving you a guided tour of our latest and greatest piece of software featuring such great technologies. Like, our team has spent a very long time putting together this lovely piece of software that has loads of great features, like a desktop with our logo on it and only our logo on it. You can't change it anymore, and just so many other great things. Now, of course, this is Windows Pro Edition 4, in case you can't read. And this is, I keep saying this, but it has to be repeatedly said, because I said so. It has to be repeatedly said that this is one of the greatest pieces of software to ever come to exist in the world. Okay? And you better believe me. So, where to begin? We have our taskbar, of course, our start button, and a functioning clock down here on the bottom right. We've had that in every version of Windows Pro Edition except one, but I'm acting as if it's new. And anyway, let's just skip the babbling and go straight into the start menu, opened by the start button, obviously. So we click it, and it's magical. It just opens a start menu. It's really, really cool. So yeah, it says start up here. You have all these lovely programs, and this program is a program that shows even more wonderful programs. We just packed this full of programs right out of the box for you to use or something like that. Anyway, let's go to the first item in the list, Internet Explorer, because of course you need an internet browser. But you don't need a modern one like Edge or Firefox or Chrome or whatever. You need one that hasn't been seriously used in like over a decade. So, of course, we put it in Internet Explorer. And this operating system by itself looks like something that would have been made like 15 years ago anyway. So, Internet Explorer, we build it into the system, just like all these other lovely programs. Anyway, Internet Explorer, there is a whole bunch, a whopping 5 websites that we added support for. Don't ask why a web browser works like that. We add support for whatever websites manually. But regardless of that, it's really cool because we have such wonderful technologies that allow viewing of these wonderful web pages or websites, whatever you want to call them, or something. So the first one on this list is YouTube. Let's click on that, and we just go to YouTube. And as you can see, this is what YouTube looks like. You're probably familiar with what YouTube looks like. You're watching a video on it right now, I assume. Now, it says why Windows PE is the greatest OS ever. This is a video that it's recommending to us. And the thumbnail doesn't work, but that's okay. We're just going to click on it, and we will watch it. What? Fatal video player error. Well, shit. Crap. Well, crap. I guess, this doesn't work for some reason. I've heard about this happening before, like, every time, someone tried to open a YouTube video. So I don't know why they haven't fixed this yet. They say they're not going to fix this. I don't know why they're not fixing it, but that's okay. We're just going to move along here. So we're going to have to open Internet Explorer all over again. And let's not go to YouTube. So, that didn't work. Let's just go to Google. So, of course, this is Google, the logo here. And, what? I don't know what this is. Just please ignore this at the bottom. That really shouldn't be there. Anyway. We can click on it, and we can search. Okay, so that isn't working. I can't seem to type anything into here. but that's okay. We'll just see what the search button does. Why does it just make the logo bigger? Who the fuck developed this website? Okay. Let's see what this button does. Oh, it makes it smaller. Well, that's lovely, I guess. And, oh, the back and forth buttons, somehow didn't notice that, but they don't work. Or at least their image is missing. Oh, and they also don't work. That's just lovely. It's just what I want to happen while I do this, demo. Yeah. Anyway, pretend you didn't see that, because you didn't. Next here, we're gonna try Discord, which, probably know what that is. You can talk to people on it. So this is the only server you are allowed to be in, the Windows Poop Edition server, and you can see all these people are talking. These are real people sending real messages using real language, real words. So, this is the general channel. There's other channels too, like General 2, and people are typing in here too. Windows PE help, and that's all there is, I guess. There's no voice channels, because God forbid anyone tries to implement that in Windows Poop Edition. I mean, Windows Poop Edition would totally be able to handle that voice communication, whatever thingamabobber technology, but we just haven't put it in there yet. But maybe in a future update, we will have that, and it will work flawlessly and smoothly. But for now, we only have text chat, so we're just gonna click on this, and for some reason this text box works. And it doesn't work like a normal text box would, because we suck at programming. So it just brings up this dialog box where we can type in a message. For example, the letter H and then the letter I, which, as you may know, spells the word hi, which is a commonly used greeting in the English language. So you can press enter and it sends it. We have sent the word hi into the world, and by the world I mean the Windows Poop Edition Discord server, which is totally legit. So, I don't really know what these people are saying. I mean, maybe to someone else these words make sense, but they don't make sense to me. So, this wasn't really worth anything. I don't know why that's happening. It's the words are showing up here in this bar thingy. Well, that's a bug we need to fix, but we won't. I mean, we are committed to bringing you the best quality in software production something. Anyway, I think there's more websites. Yeah, there's Twitter. We can just go to Twitter. And, this is Twitter. Generally, this is what Twitter looks like, I'm pretty sure. Welcome to Twitter. Here you can be a bird and tweet at other birds. So let's sign in. Oh, it automatically exited twitter.com. Like, we have measures in place in our web browser that protects your mental health and sanity in case you try to access a website that would be harmful to one or both of those things. So, yeah, be thankful for us that we took the time to develop that, because, you would probably be a lot worse off if you tried to go to websites like that. And I think there's one more. There's Facebook. I think this might do something similar. Yeah, it just says no. Okay, I don't know why I need to crash the entire browser, but whatever. So that's Internet Explorer, and these buttons don't work, but oh yeah, there's a search bar here. You can search for things, like you can search for Discord, and there it is, just like before. And also, if you want to change some of your browser settings, we have a handy dandy settings button right here at the top right corner. And whoa, what the frick? Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. And in fact, it didn't happen. This blue screen you're seeing is not a sign that the computer or system, kernel, whatever has crashed. It's just the settings page, and all this text is different settings, whatever. No one's falling for that bullshit. I give up. So no, that's all a lie. This is actually just the crash screen. You know, the classic blue screen of death, Windows Poop Edition version. And the cool thing about this blue screen of death is that restarting and continuing, quote unquote, as normal is as easy as pressing R on your keyboard, and it goes back into the startup thingy. Like we have really fast boot times. Notice how it went to the startup screen that fast, like instantly. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We're not going to tell you how we did that, obviously. Now I'm not going to show everything there is to this operating system. This is just a, guided tour, just to give the general idea, gist thingy of what this really is, or something. Now, I'm just going to go into games. Now, we have all these amazing games just on here. Just look at all these games. They're just so sweet and cool. Like, you can't deny that. So, yeah. You can just play any one of these 7 games that we have bundled with Windows Poop Edition with your installation of Windows Poop Edition. And there's nothing you can do about all these games taking up your storage. You can't even uninstall any of these. I don't know why, but, why would you want to? Anyway, these games are so fun. Like, every single one of them is meticulously designed, whatever. You don't care about these words that I'm babbling. So first we're going to try Minecraft. I'm pretty sure everyone in the Omniverse knows what Minecraft is. It's a really fun game where you place and break blocks. So we have Minecraft here. Our nice little splash text. That took ass loads of coding. Let's press single player. Probably deleted them for no reason. Well, I don't think I had any worlds on this system beforehand, or on this hard drive. So let's just create a new world. And it's loading it. And oh, would you look at that? This is Minecraft. Like, this is a meticulously crafted port of Minecraft for Windows Poop Edition. Because, like, we can't just copy and paste Minecraft into Windows Poop Edition because, 1, we don't have the license or whatever, so that would be illegal. And 2, because we tried, and, Minecraft just doesn't run on Windows Poop Edition because our kernel just sucks ass. But, this is basically Minecraft. You can break blocks, like these dirt blocks and the stone blocks and the grass blocks, and guess what? The coolest part, you can place them like this by right clicking. Break is left click, place is right click. So you can build some really cool stuff in Minecraft. Like whatever the hell I'm building right now. Looks like a 9 almost. I don't know why I'm making this. Apparently it has lag spikes sometimes. But that's fine. Oh, I can't place one there because I ran out of stone. Yeah, there's also an inventory system. Yeah, it's super cool because, this is literally Minecraft. As you've been able to tell by now, this is Minecraft, As I was saying, you can't really, we couldn't really port it because our kernel sucks so much. So, we had to make this remake, or this port, as true to the original game as we possibly could. And yeah, you can kind of stick to walls like that. That's, pretty sure you can't do that in original Minecraft. But, pretend you didn't see that. And, yeah. And also ignore the fact that it's not 3D and it's 2D. Yeah, no, you're not being convinced this is a exact port of Minecraft, are you? Whatever, we can just press escape to exit out of that. And that brings us back to the desktop. And we can try out another game. Like Stick Collector. This is a really fun game where you collect sticks. And oh dear, it's really laggy. Okay, this seemed to work fine when I wasn't using recording software, and for that matter, magic recording software that can record even while the computer is shutting down and restarting. But I guess the performance of this game, or maybe just the operating system as a whole, is really shitty. So, I've been saying all this stuff about how great the technologies are, but really, this is the biggest piece of shit operating system I've ever seen. So I don't really know what I was going on about that, but, maybe it's just so I get paid. Guess I'm not getting paid now because I'm bashing it so much. Anyway, yeah, let's just get out of that because that really sucks. The performance really sucks. If your computer is worse than mine is right now, that would probably be unbearably laggy to play. Even though it's literally a game where you collect sticks and nothing else. But anyway, just gonna try out a few more games. We have FNAF Secure in This Beach. This is a game that, everyone's been talking about. I don't know, maybe it was more relevant like a month ago when it first came out, but, it takes time to develop it. So, we can't always be that, in with the kids or something. And let's just launch it, and you're fucking kidding me, it crashed again. The jump scare file is corrupted or missing. Windows might have gotten scared and delete. Are you kidding me? They couldn't teach Windows to be any less of a coward. Come on. Now I can't launch the game. Not only can I not launch the game, but my entire system crashes because a jump scare file is missing. Whatever, I'm just gonna press hard to restart. Forget that ever happened, because it didn't, as I keep having to say. This operating systems are really great. Like you've been seeing how wonderful these technologies are, right? They're just really cool. Yeah. Well, anyway, we have all these other games. Like we have Minesweeper, also Solitaire. I'm just gonna try out Minesweeper because this demo's already been going on for like 17 minutes. I don't know how I'm supposed to make it not that long. Anyway, Minesweeper. You just click on one of the squares, and oh, I lost already. Huh? Well, I must have gotten really unlucky there. Let's just give it another shot, cause I'm pretty sure I could do better this time. I'll just click on this square. Okay, I lost again. Maybe I just got really, really unlucky. So, if you try out this game yourself, you probably won't get nearly as unlucky as I did just there. I promise it's a very, very playable version of Minesweeper. And, doesn't just boom every time you click, you know what I'm saying? Let's just get out of the games. And let's see, what else do we have? We have a music player. You can play these, these lovely songs. There's not that many of them. And I don't know if you can download more. Like, we have a shop, but I don't think it works. Speaking of which, let's go to the shop, which is really cool. Because it's where you get apps and other things. Now, someone didn't put enough effort into developing this shop application. So, there's only an app section. And like 5 of them say error, and then there's a cool virus at the bottom. Who the hell put a virus in the store? Whatever. I'm pretty sure I'm not sure when any of these will do. Oh, but it crashes it. Attempt to perform arithmetic on a global user's money. Oh, what a silly mistake. We really need to hire some better programmers here. But whatever, it's fine. Let's go to the control panel and see what kind of settings we can change. Oh, items found. Okay, well, at least they made it a nice little spinny animation. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, what's going on here? Help. Stop performing illegal operations, oh my god. Hello? Can I just... Okay, I can close out of it like that. Whew. God, who the hell made it like that? Someone's gonna be getting verbal abuse after I do this demo. I mean, look at all the great features, or something. We have emulation, because since apparently this version of the system is so shitty and unusable, we offer the ability to emulate previous versions of our OS, which may give you a better chance of working. Totally. We allow you to emulate these inside a virtual machine. Now we can do Windows Poop Edition 1.0. Let's just do this for... Oh, we can't even do it? Don't ask why I even put it on the list. Oh, for fuck's sake. I mean, okay. Let's just try Windows Poop Edition 2.0. Oh. It's a blank error message. Whatever. Let's just go. Oh, fucking Christ. It crashed again. Virtualization failing. I mean, did you even think we hear CrapOS, but no we make but then whatever. Press R to restart. I just want to get through this fucking bullshit OS. God, I fucking hate this job. No, don't open the control panel again. I just did that reflexively because I've had to test this piece of shit OS so much. I barely get paid for it, but I have to do the rest of this demo anyway. Yeah, we have all these more programs here. I've heard these are put in more programs because they work a lot more decently than the other programs. So they don't feel in place just putting them in the start menu. Also, there's not enough space for that anyway. So they get shoved into here where they're more obscured, but they still technically exist. Something like that. That's what I've heard from the people or something. Anyway, yeah, that's basically what Windows Poop Edition 4 is like. As you can see, it's a big piece of shit, but also it's the greatest showcase of computing technology in the history of mankind and personkind and all that stuff. So you can use this operating system for yourself if you really want to. You can go download it for yourself and try out all the things, including all the stuff I didn't have time to demo. This demo's already freaking 20 minutes long, but whatever. So I guess I'm just gonna have to shut this down, whatever. And see ya when we pump out Windows Poop Edition 5, which will probably be soon enough, but for now you can enjoy this piece of shit version for now. Okay. Goodbye.